next, how a row between neighbours over a wheelie bin ended up in the High Court. Liaquat Ali from Edgware has been left with a £15,000 bill in court costs after he was sued by his neighbour who claimed the bin was obstructing a shared driveway. Gareth Furby has the story.
Wheelie bins outside the Royal Courts of Justice. And they're not normally a subject discussed inside such distinguished premises. But now we have the case of Liaquat Ali.
It's really unbelievable. It's absurd. Over a wheelie bin.
He's talking about a bill for £54,000 in legal costs, built up in a 3-year battle with his neighbour over the placement of wheelie bins in their shared driveway.
It's a small 240-litre domestic wheelie bin which people use, all over the country.
His neighbour won an agreement saying the bins shouldn't be left there. Liaquat Ali was prepared to agree to that, but not to pay the costs. Mr. Ali's lawyer argued there should be no costs in this case about a wheelie bin because no damages had been awarded. But the court disagreed, and we then saw no fewer than 4 lawyers sitting together in a corridor with calculators in their hands, trying to agree a suitable figure. It ended up at £15,700.
It just can't be justified over a wheelie bin, which is worth about £20. It's particularly when the other party never even recovered any damages or losses.
Can you afford that kind of money?
Well, I'll probably be looking at remortgaging my property.
Mr. Ali's neighbour Iqbal Suleiman didn't want to comment, but his solicitor said, "We are pleased that the costs issues in this case have now been concluded. Our clients have been very pleased with the work we have carried out for them and the outcome of this claim, which secured their right of way."
I think it certainly highlights the fact that the law isn't working in this case, and it is something that I certainly should be taken up with the Attorney General.
Mr. Ali says he may yet appeal, but he's given his wheelie bin back to Barnet Council. Gareth Furby, BBC London News.